strong growth runway on robust backlog, traction of next-gen E2 jets. Published price, $24.40. Whether the Brazilian airplane maker can break into the Boeing-Airbus duopoly is unknown yet, but it is certain that Embraer is well positioned to benefit from its strong backlog and the traction for its next generation of small narrow-body jets, the E2 family. A major deal with American Airlines valued at $7+ billion represents American's largest ever single order of E175s. Under the agreement, the airline has placed a firm order for 90 E175 jets with purchase rights for 43 additional jets. The firm orders will be included in the Q1 24 backlog. The E175 aircraft will be delivered with 76 seats in American standard dual-class configuration, as the airline plans to retire all of its 50-seat single-class regional jets by the end of the decade. Including the firm order, Embraer has sold a total of 837 E175 aircraft since 2013. The upgrades to the E175 have improved its fuel burn by 6.5%. Even as the demand for E175 remains high, Embraer is pushing the idea of E195-E2 as a small narrow-body to complement the larger narrow-body craft from Airbus and Boeing. The E195-E2 has 120 to 146 seats versus E175, E176 to 88 seats. Total E2 deliveries more than doubled to 39 jets in 2023. The efficient E195-E2 is profitable at an 80% load factor, according to Chief Executive Francisco Gomez Neto in his November 23 interview to Reuters. Company believes that E2 economics makes it ideal for mainline as well as low-cost carriers to expand connectivity into secondary cities. The number of cities without service or served less than once daily has increased from 49 in 2019 pre-pandemic to 85 in 2023. This, alongside replacement opportunities for previous generation craft, should be addressable by Embraer's E2 family. Embraer's backlog rose to $18.7 billion in 2023, up $1.2 billion year-over-year and the highest since Q1 2018. For 2024, it expects commercial aviation deliveries of 72 to 80 aircraft and executive aviation deliveries of 125 to 135 aircraft, bringing the total deliveries to 197 to 215 planes. The midpoint, this represents a 14% year-over-year increase over 2023 deliveries of 181 aircraft. For 2024, the company expects to achieve $6 to $6.4 billion in revenue. This represents a 18% growth at midpoint of the guidance from 2023 levels, as well as 13% growth from pre-pandemic revenues in 2019. Embraer also sees adjusted EBIT margin between 6.5% and 7.5% versus 6.6% for 2023. Significant deleveraging from 20.7x in 2020 to 1.4x in 2023 reflects an improved liquidity position. Embraer sees adjusted FCF of greater than or equal to $220 million for 2024. ERJ trades at 0.73x forward sales versus its 5-year average of 1.2x and the sector average of 1.4x. A multiple re-rating to just 0.9x could still imply 20% upside potential from current stock price levels.